So, learners, in this video, we will talk about the most important tips to pass this test, the topographical skill assessment. If you can follow these steps properly, then surely you will pass. So let's start. Let's see what is in this video. Okay, the first tip is, which is very important, and you need to maintain always stay on the left side, because in real time we also do this in London, especially you can see in the video that how you need to do this. Always stay in the left side. And our second tip is, you don't drive in the middle of the street, because it will be fail if you do this, because you always need to stay in the left side if it is two-way road. And third tip is, obviously, you can't drive in the right side of the road, because our main thing is you need to stay left, and this is the most important thing for this kind of drawing. Okay, always remember those tips, and let's go for the next one, which is fourth tip, very important as well. That is, don't enter one-way road, which is come from the opposite side, obviously. So you can see in the video and that we're entering a one way, which is totally wrong, because this is coming from the opposite side. So you can't enter those things. This is very basic thing for this. The second last tip is, which is, don't cross the central reservation. Many of our students do this, and this is the one of the most important thing you need to remember when you're doing this. When there is a black line, you can't cross it. There will be. Okay, now you can start practicing from your home. We are providing home access for you. And from now, you don't have to go to any training center and waste your time and money. You can start learning from home. We are providing an excellent service, so you just need a computer or a mouse, and then you can start practicing from your home. So stop watching videos and start your training from today with our skilled and experienced trainers who will guide you all the time, and this everything will be from your home. And we are providing online classes, home access, and so on with very affordable price. So call, text, or WhatsApp in this number. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.